Welcome back to the second semester of Kazoo University. My name is Grace and I will be guiding you through the second semester. It is our hope that you will be able to learn some things during this time at home and maybe reiterate some things that you've learned already at school. After completing the program, if you take the final exam, you'll be able to walk across the field at a Blue Wahoos game and accept your diploma. Along the way, I'll have a special friend join me in showing you some of the exercises we might be doing in PE class or how to do certain problems in math. So with that, let's get started. Welcome back for another lesson at Kazoo University. Today, for our science lesson, we are going to test our hypothesis. Now, a hypothesis is an educated guess. So Kazoo, we're going to let you guess this one. Do you think the ball will float or will it sink? Going to float. All right, Kazoo thinks it's going to float. So what I'm going to do is just release this ball into the water. And it is afloat. Nice job, Kazoo. Now, if we were to make this into a scientific theory, we would have to test it multiple times. We would have to make sure that it is falsifiable and that it proves true over time. Right now, it is still afloat, as you can see, and so that is all we have for today for your science lesson. Thank you for watching another episode of Kazoo University. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you won't miss an episode.